The sweet journey of chocolate magic. Hey there, chocolate lovers! Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bars come to life? Today, we're going to explore the amazing journey of chocolate. Let's find out how chocolate goes from a tiny bean to a delicious treat. Finding cacao beans. Chocolate begins in the cacao forest. Farmers pick cacao pods from the trees. Inside each pod, there are special cacao beans that will become chocolate. Fermentation. After the beans are picked, they are put together to ferment for a week. This process helps the beans develop a richer flavor. Then they are dried in the sun. Roasting. Next, the dried cacao beans are roasted. Roasting brings out the rich flavor of chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cracked open to get the cacao nibs. Grinding. The cacao nibs are then ground into a paste called chocolate liquor. This is the base for making chocolate. Making chocolate. To create chocolate, we add sugar and sometimes milk to the chocolate liquor. This mixture is blended together to form smooth chocolate. Ending. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds and cooled. Once it hardens, we have the delicious chocolate bars we love. What type of chocolate do you enjoy?